Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, The Meryl Week Diaries. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the dates from your Weebly blog post. As you can see on my screen, there are dates under the heading of my blog post. So to begin, you want to be in your Weebly editor under theme. As you can see at the top, it's weebly.com/editor, and the heading is theme. From there, you're going to go down to the very bottom of the screen and click on Edit HTML CSS on the left, and you're going to add the CSS code. So if you have a plus sign, you want to click on that, and you're going to go down to main.less, and on the right you're going to add the code below to your CSS file. So I'm going to leave a link in the description box to this code, and you can go to this blog post on my site and copy it. And so you're just going to paste it, and then you're going to click on save. And once you have clicked on save, you should see that the dates have already disappeared, but you want to save it and publish it so that when you go back to your live site, the dates are gone. So we're going to click on save and then publish, and then we're going to go to the live site and make sure that they have been removed. So I'm going to just click on blog, and as you can see, the dates are now gone. So that, my friends, is how you remove the dates from your Weebly blog post. And to add them back for any reason, all you would do is go and remove the CSS code. So if this video has been helpful to you, don't forget to leave me a comment in the comment section, and subscribe for more tech posts like this.